Can I go like this? Hi, I'm Matt Ostapchuk. I'm the acting curator of military and government history here at the Royal Alberta Museum. Today we're going to be unboxing a new acquisition from the Royal Canadian Mint. My program, Military and Government History, has about 13,000 pieces of numismatic material. So that's things from coins, tokens, and other forms of currency. Our current collecting focus is coins that focus on Alberta and Albertans and help us tell the story of our province. So let's open our first coin here. So this is the Lest We Forget coin that came out in 2019. It has a $20 face value and it is a proof finish. So one of the neat features here is that it has a Murano glass poppy at the center there. And around the rim there is a wreath of poppies that you would see at different Remembrance Day ceremonies. Also on there is a cross that says Lest We Forget in both English and French. And the obverse is the Queen Elizabeth II. And actually on coins, the monarch is on the obverse and the reverse usually features the design. So it's a nice coin. Our next coin here is the Victory Stampede coin, which also came out in 2019. And again has a $20 face value. So this coin here is neat for a few reasons. It has selective gold plating on it. And if you can look in close there at the rim is actually designed to look like a lariat. So the Victory Stampede commemorated or celebrated the end of the First World War, and it was held in 1919. So this is a tribute to that. And again, it's Queen Elizabeth II with selective gold plating. Okay. And now we move to the Second World War with two coins from the Second World War Battlefront series. These are the 7th and 8th in the series, and the first in chronological order of these two would be the Normandy campaign, which is this one here. So this one has a nice presentation box. The other ones just had the standard mint box. So you can see on the front here there's a design that's specific to this series. So the Normandy campaign started with the landings on Juno Beach on June 6, 1944, and continued into late August with fighting inland. And the coin here, you can see there it has a Canadian soldier. On the left is a landing craft, and on the right is a Sherman tank. And a neat feature here is these sound waves or radio waves. It's .. which was V for victory in the Victory campaign. So that's a neat coin there. And on the reverse or obverse of this one is King George VI. So that was the monarch of the time. That deviates from the other coins we just saw there. And this one is the next from the series, which is the Battle of the Scheldt. And again, this one has a nice presentation box. The Canadian soldier there, which I believe is the same image that's on the coin. So let's take a look and find out here. So the Battle of the Scheldt, yes, there's the Canadian soldier there with a Bren gun, and it looks like he's advancing past a windmill in the background on the right side there. So the Battle of the Scheldt was a battle. The 1st Canadian Army was tasked with clearing the Scheldt estuary to clear up the port of Antwerp so that they could supply the Allied lines. So it was a very important battle and a key contribution that the Canadians played in the Second World War there. That's a nice coin. And on the back again, we have King George VI. Okay. Now we move away from the war theme and onto a bit of Alberta geography. So here is, coins upside down in there. So this is a coin, it's $30 face value. It's a photo taken by Peter McKinnon, who's a Canadian photographer. So this is of, this one's of Moraine Lake, and it's quite a nice photo and design on the front there, and it's colorized, which is a neat feature. And on the back, you can see Queen Elizabeth II. So this is again in proof finish with the frosted front and the brilliant or mirrored background there. Oh, and there's a nice slot here, so you can, it doesn't quite work, so put it aside there. And this is another one in the same series, also by, the photos by Peter McKinnon, and this one is of Mount Rundle. There's a nice photo there, colorized again, $30 face value, and Queen Elizabeth II. So this coin is a bit larger than the other one, and they're pure silver coins, all of these ones so far. And the last coin we're going to look at today is a coin called Equality. And this came out in 2019 to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the decriminalization of homosexuality in Canada. So let's take a look at this one. So this is another vibrant colorized one. And the artist of this was Joe Average. And the design, the viewer is supposed to put their own meaning to the design and kind of reflect on their own story and experiences. What you can see here is in the background there, the colors of the pride flag. And it's quite a striking and vibrant coin. And on the reverse again, or obverse, is Queen Elizabeth II. So. And that's the last coin. If you like this video, please let us know. If you have any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. Thank you very much for joining us. I'm going to start a new trend here and do a reboxing video.